Homophones in English sentences. Homophones are the words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Let's see some examples. I know the answer. There is no milk left. I have 2 cookies. I'm going to. Let's go to the park. I can hear the music. Please come here. Turn right at the corner. Write this down. I need a break. Hit the brake. The meat is grilled. We will meet at 6 p.m. My son is a student. The sun is shining. There is a sale at the mall. Let's go sail the boat. The sea is vast. I can see the sea. Wait for me. What is your weight? I want a piece of cake. She wants peace and quiet. The dog wagged its tail. She told an amazing tale. I received some mail today. The mail bird is colorful. Don't stare at people. The stair is broken. The road is long. I rode my bike. Don't waste food. Her waist is slim. He's in a prison cell. I want to sell my car. I'm feeling weak. It's been a long week. There is a hole in my sock. I ate the whole cake. He ate too much. She is 8 years old. The sky is blue. He blew out the candles. Plants die without water. I want to dye my hair. Would you like some tea? Place the bowl on the tea. The sole of the shoe is worn out. He has a kind soul. I will cite my sources. This is a construction site. What a beautiful site. The file is 50 bytes. Take a small bite. The eagle will soar. My muscles are sore. The wall is plain. The plane is landing. Please like and subscribe to our channel.